Hello everybody, my name is Anthony Perez. I'm an attorney here at Avrek law firm. Today I just wanted to go over the theory of negligent infliction of emotional distress, and that's a big word. People in the industry would refer to that as something as a Dillon claim. This is the theory that if you witness somebody seriously injured in an accident, you yourself suffer some emotional harm, maybe even physical harm related to the emotional harm, and should be entitled to some compensation. A common scenario we have are minors who are possibly hit by a car and maybe the parent witnesses that. So the minor themselves may have suffered some pretty serious injuries, but the parent, they stayed free of the contact, but they did witness their child get injured in an accident, sometimes very seriously injured. They too can get compensation from just that visual, actually in witnessing the child get injured and feeling that emotional trauma that's related to that. That's referred to as a case in California called Dillon versus Legg. We refer to them as a Dillon claim, and many people don't know that, but one of the things that we do try to look into every time we have claims with minors is, did somebody view this? Was there a relative with them? The limitation on this is it must be a relative, so somebody that's related by blood, marriage, adoption, somebody that lives with each other, so they do have to have that kind of close family tie in order for this claim to work. But many times we're able to help people that get stuck in this situation. Going back to that child scenario, in California, anytime a minor receives a settlement, anything over $5,000 must be court approved, and the minor or the family do not get the funds until the client turns 18. Sometimes even longer, the way that is set up if it's an annuity or a structured settlement. So that family is now, sometimes the parents have to miss work, sometimes they have to pay a lot of out-of-pocket expenses, and they may not get reimbursed for that for quite some time. So this is another way that we're able to help get compensation to the families of the injured victim, who can get immediate funds and not have to wait until the client turns 18 for the family to get compensated altogether. So if you know anyone that's been injured in an accident, especially a minor, please have them give us a call. We can help.